Hi, first graders. I hope you guys are having a great start to your Monday. Last week we talked about identifying words that have long U sounds and looking for patterns in those words to help us tell that the word has a long U sound. Today we're going to review those, and our I can statement is, I can read and write words with the long U sound. I would like you to repeat it back. I can read and write words with the long U sound. So last week I showed you guys this chart. We learned that there are patterns that help us figure out if a word has a long U sound. We talked about U with magic E, like in the word cube. We talked about U and E together because we know sometimes when two vowels go walking, the first one usually does the talking. This could be found in the word blue. We also learned that sometimes EW also makes the long U sound. This can be found in the word blue, like I blew out my candles. Blue. We're going to watch a video with Alpha Blocks and learn and review these patterns. So I'd like you to turn on your listening ears and keep your eyes on the screen.
Is that you? You? Look at the mess you've made.
It wasn't my fault.
I don't believe you.
Tell her, E. Tell her, W.
You. Oh! Well, what do you say, EW?
We say ooh, and we say you.
It was you.
Why would I tell a lie? Let me explain in song. Just hear my story and you will know why I haven't done anything wrong.
You look unhappy, you. Can we help?
You.
Oh! You, 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 you. You, 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 you. Why don't you try something you new? Now that is new. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh.
When they held hands,
A mighty oak tree grew.
They tried again.
But then a great wind blew.
It got worse.
Whoosh and away it flew.
You. Ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. I was with E.
That is completely
Ooh, true. I said to E, can you help make me ooh, blue? Stick with me.
We thought he meant stick like
Ooh, glue. Ooh, you. You, 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 you. You, 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 you.
R-E-S-C
to the
S.
You.
rescue.
You, 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 you. You, 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 you. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. And the magic E did his magic on me, and we played a little tune.
La 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 la.
I played a lute, he played the flute, and he saved me with a prune.
A prune?
how it happened.
I believe you.
E-W, we say you and ooh. When I'm with you, we say you and ooh. And when Magic E does his magic on me, we say you and ooh. Now you know it's all true. There's no need to feel blue. And thanks to my friends, there's nothing that you can't do.
Alright, so we learned and reviewed about the patterns that make the long U or oo sound. And Alpha Blocks is a really great tool to use on YouTube, and you can learn a lot from these videos. So if you ever want more practice, go to YouTube and type in Alpha Blocks for some extra practice. So we're going to think about ways to spell words that have long U patterns. Now there's really no way of telling the difference, so it's kind of has to just be with practice. We've practiced a lot with the word glue. Can you remember what pattern makes the long U sound for glue? If you said U-E, you are correct. G-U-U, glue. What about this one? This is the word mute. Mute means to turn off a volume. So you can mute your TV if you have to talk on the phone. I can mute your screens if we're having a Zoom meeting and have one student talk at a time. So this is the word mute. I can even think about the sounds by stretching it out on my hand. Let's all hold up your fist and say mute and pull the sounds apart. M-U-T, mute. What do you think this will be if we're missing a letter here and a letter here? If you said U with Magic E, you are correct. All right, let's try one more. This is new, like I got a new car. Can you remember what long vowel pattern for U we used to spell the word new? If you said EW, you are correct. So if we look back at that, it has two dashes, and we also know there's UE that go together. But would that be correct? No, it just has to be through practice, practice, practice. So in Seesaw today, you are going to have two slides. So if you look over on the side, you have one up top and one down below. The first one, you are going to use your hand tool, and you're going to drag the words to the correct picture. Then I want you to use that microphone tool on the left side to record yourself reading the words that have the long U sound. Then you'll go to this second slide, and it looks like this. So you have three words, and I want you to practice spelling them by using either your pencil or your pen tools. So the first word is fuel, second word is tube, and the last word is new, like I knew the answer. So you're going to use your pencil or pen tool to write the correct letters to finish completing spelling the word. If you guys have any questions, please let me know and have fun with this activity. And don't forget, you're going to hit that green check button in the top right corner to turn it in. Again, we're working on reading and writing words with the long U sound. Have fun, first graders.